Don't threaten me. مال دمکی مرا کوا. Don't threaten me. I am cheating on him. زه هغه له دوکه ورکوم. I am cheating on him. Why don't you understand me? ته په ما ولې نه پوهیږي. Why don't you understand me? He is a well-known trader. هغه یو پیژنګلو والا بیپاری دی. He is a well-known trader. I don't need to explain you everything. ما ته ضرورت نشته چې تا په هر څه پوه کم. I don't need to explain you everything. Why are you blushing? ته ولې شرمیږي. Why are you blushing? You stay out of this. ته د دې معاملې نه لرې اوسه. You stay out of this. We should acquire more information. مونږ له نور معلومات حاصلول پکار دي. We should acquire more information. I am so sick of this. زه د دې نه ډېر تنګ شوی یم. I am so sick of this. He is my legal advisor. هغه زما قانوني صلاحکار دی. He is my legal advisor. This is so unfair. دا ډېره نه انصافي ده. This is so unfair. He is still here. هغه لا اوسه پورې دلته دی. He is still here. He needs to be taught a lesson. هغه ته د سبق حاصلولو ضرورت دی. He needs to be taught a lesson. You are good for nothing. ته د هیڅ کار نه. You are good for nothing. 3 people are still missing. د دریو خلکو اوس هم لا پته نه لګي. 3 people are still missing. Get him out of here. هغه د دې ځای نه بهر وکاږه. Get him out of here. I don't believe in fate. زه په قسمت یقین نه ساتم. I don't believe in fate. Such people are selfish. داسې خلک خپل مطلبي. Such people are selfish. The heat was ferocious. ګرمي سخته وه. The heat was ferocious. But I won't do it. خو زه به دا نه کوم. But I won't do it. I was awoken by the noise. زه د شور د وجې ویښ شوی وم. I was awoken by the noise. He has a nasal accent. هغه پوزه کې خبرې کوي. He has a nasal accent. It's a controversial film. دا یو متنازعې والا فلم دی. It's a controversial film. یعنی په دې فلم کې اختلاف دی. She was crying in her room. هغې په خپله کمره کې ژړل. She was crying in her room. There is something mysterious going on. سراز واله کیږي. There is something mysterious going on. I have made a decision. ما فیصله کړې ده. I have made a decision. It is not your matter. دا ستا معامله نه ده. It is not your matter. Our class consists of 30 boys. زمون په کلاس کې 13 واړه دي. Our class consists of 30 boys. He lives in isolation. هغه یوازې اوسیږي. He lives in isolation. It is better to ignore this point. ښه به دای چې په دې خبره ځان غلی کو. It is better to ignore this point. I didn't recognize him. ما هغه ونه پیژندو. I didn't recognize him. Do you recognize this tune? آیا ته دا ساز پیژنې؟ Do you recognize this tune? When did you get back from London? ته کله د لندن نه واپس راغلی؟ When did you get back from London? She is a little short in stature. هغه په قد کې لږه چیته ده. She is a little short in stature. How many sandwiches are left there? څومره سینډویچ پاتې شو؟ How many sandwiches are left there? We want to expand the business. مونږ غواړو چې کاروبار غټ کو. We want to expand the business. She was very surprised at the news. هغې چې خبر واورید نو حیرانه شوه. She was very surprised at the news. Will this shirt shrink in the wash? آیا په وینځلو به دا کمیس راغونډ شي؟ Will this shirt shrink in the wash? Are you reading an interesting book? زړه راښکونکی کتاب ګورې کو. Are you reading an interesting book? He smashed all the records. هغه ټول ریکارډونه مات کړو. He smashed all the records. We lost. مونږ بایلو. We lost. Get up. پاسا. Get up. I will pay. زه به پیسې ورکم. I will pay. I can. زه کولی شم. I can. He fainted. هغه بېهوشه شو. He fainted. Behave yourself. په تمیز سره خبره کوه. Behave yourself. I'm alone. زه یوازې یم. I'm alone. Don't ask. تپوس مه کوه. Don't ask. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ پوښتنه مه کوه. She is getting bored. هغه ستړي کیږي. She is getting bored. Who knows? چاته پته. Who knows? I am broke. زه کنګال شوی یم. I am broke. Come down. ښکته راځه. Come down. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ښکته راکوز شه. I like to be busy always. زما تل مصروفه اوسېدل خوښ دي. I like to be busy always. She is a very domestic sort of woman. هغه ډیره کورنۍ قسم ښځه ده. She is a very domestic sort of woman. And how is everybody at home? او کور ټول هلک څنګ دی. And how is everybody at home? What a beautiful ornament is it? څومره ښکلی کالی دی دا. What a beautiful ornament is it? Stop staring at me. ما ته بد بد کتل بند کړه. Stop staring at me. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ما ته نیغ نیغ کتل بند کا. Do you have a financial advisor? آیا تا مالیاتی سلاکار لري؟ Do you have a financial advisor? even if you kill me تر دې پورې که ته چېرې ما ووژنې even if you kill me this bicycle is too small for you دا سایکل ستا دپاره ډېر وړوکی دی this bicycle is too small for you د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ Thanks for watching.